join me in my studio, I'm going to show you something that I can only show you when the sun's out, really, on a bright sunny day. Well, the best time to see it. And it's an illusion known as the camera obscura. So I'm actually going to take you inside a camera. And I'm going to turn my studio into the inside of a camera. And you can do this at home. It's very straightforward, providing you a few materials. And I'll just talk you through the setup that I've got here and how easy it is to replicate. So I'm just going to turn you round. So this is our back of our house here, and the reason I'm showing you this is just so you can see, once we're in the studio and the camera obscura is all set up, what you'll be able to see, so that I'm not pulling the wool over your eyes or anything like that you've seen before. So all we need to do is to be able to have a room that we can black out. And thankfully with a studio it's nice and easy, because on my studio doors I've got blackout material, blackout blinds. I've got one on each side. And then in one of them we just create a little hole. And I normally have a sticky tape which sits over that. And I'll show you basically. So what I'll do is I'm just going to close these doors up. Not to trap my fingers in them. That one, there's a little spider in there. And that one down here. And then we'll do this one. Leave that for a second. I've then got blinds up here, which you've both seen in a previous video that I've shot. So I'm just going to close those down. I've got a little remote there for those. So you'll see it's getting slowly darker. Shut that one, and then it's quite dark now. And what I do is I go to my little piece of tape, which I now can't see because it's dark. It off. And we have a little hole of light. And I'm going to swing you round now into the studio. Light. And I haven't got the GoPro set up on ISO, automatic ISO. So it's set on fixed ISO, so it's probably not picking up anything in here at all, apart from a very dark room and me talking. So what I shall now do is bring up some stills that I took earlier. And then you can have a look at the outside on the inside. And this is basically your camera obscura. And it's quite interesting because the effect is, to me, always amazes me every time I see it. No matter how many times I've seen it before, it's just phenomenal. And also, it's very easy to create. You'll find that the hole that you make in your blackout material, the smaller you make it, the dimmer the image, but also the sharper the image that will appear on the walls. And then the larger you make, if you make a really large hole, you'll get a lot more light in, but the image will then be softer in terms of a focus. So you get a brighter image, but it'll be a softer image. So you decide what you want really. And you can, a lot of people actually put a lens on their hole to be able to then focus. And it's something I haven't tried, so I will try that and I'll post that as another video. But there you go, very short video, but I thought I'd introduce you to the camera obscura. It's been around for a long time, and it's believed that quite a few of the Renaissance artists used the camera obscura when they were working out composition and perspective, and using that to draw and help check their paintings. So there you go. camera obscura. Thank you.